So in 2022, we're seeing a lot of the service providers actually starting to build out their 5G based environments. They're learning at this point in time from a standalone and non-standalone basis. They're really trying to actually look at their business case and what are the applications and services they can derive from that. So I think 2022 is about learning. It's about getting the initial deployments out there for further scale in 2023 and beyond. What we're seeing in terms of 5G, a lot of the service providers and other industries looking at how they actually build new services and actually get some of the promise out of 5G in terms of their business case. We're seeing operational technology in manufacturing and automotive sort of beginning now to refactor their applications so they can collect telemetry, connect vehicles, and eventually do autonomous driving. We're very focused on enabling a lot of those technologies at Red Hat ourselves and leveraging open source communities to develop the code necessary to fulfill a lot of those examples. What's really surprised me in this space is the amount of innovation that we're actually seeing. So for example, in healthcare, just looking at what we can deliver in terms of not just COVID vaccine rollouts in terms of interconnectivity, but how we collect that information from around the globe in order to actually do analytics on it so practitioners and clinicians and the pharmaceutical companies can all focus on specific data. So I've been very surprised about different industries looking at this technology and how to apply it in the marketplace. So operators are using hybrid cloud and multi-cloud in order to get to new customers in the marketplace, move IT workloads, operational workloads, and billing workloads into the cloud themselves so they can maximize their efficiencies from using that, but also looking at multi-cloud and hybrid cloud and those vendors in order to get to market. So a lot of the operational technology that we've been talking about in manufacturing, automotive, healthcare, retail, and so on and so forth is really there enabling them to get to market so they can leverage that existing compute, storage, and networking infrastructure more intelligently in order to get to market faster. Openness is critically important to hybrid and multi-cloud because you want to drive innovation. Innovation being you never know what the killer application or the killer use case might be. The broader the ecosystem, the more people that you have looking at that in terms of the innovation, the more disruption occurs, and therefore the more opportunity you have as an operator to leverage and benefit from that level of disruption by deploying those services over your own infrastructure. Open source and communities is a mechanism that you can actually use, a proven mechanism, to broaden that innovation. So you can actually get into the market and leverage the developers and the people creating those applications and services more efficiently.
In the telecommunications world, change is constant and fast. How do you accelerate? How do you win? By owning the change with an open strategy that lets you define your way forward. Digital service providers understand that an open, horizontal cloud strategy is the key to delivering new services faster, more securely with more flexibility, and at a lower cost. These industry leaders work with Red Hat. You know more change is coming. Own the change. Own your future.